Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2 Kuta Bali. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2 in the afternoon, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you're fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2. And our journey today start from Poppies Lane.2. Okay, let's see together how busy Poppies Lane.2 today. Okay, so far we see together like right side there is restaurant and a lot of tourists inside. Hello.
Hi boss.
Good day mate.
Hi boss.
Bloody good mate. So many Australians in Poppies Lane.2 at the moment. Because before the pandemic, Poppies Lane.2 and Poppies Lane.1 is very famous with the Australian. Stay right there. So that's why Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2 we call Canggu Bali of Australia. It's meant Australian village in Kuta Bali. Okay guys, you see right side that is a lot of shops are open. Yeah, getting better and getting better. And today our journey in the afternoon around 6 p.m. because I want to show you how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2 during the afternoon, because my viewer they asking me to update the situation in Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2 during the night time. But I can say sorry because during the night time in this area is very dark, not so many lights, so that's why not good quality for the camera to make video. You see left side? Yeah, there is the main gate to go to Beachwalk Mall from the back side. Yeah, so far in this area there is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk compared with a few weeks ago. And actually I already updated this area a few weeks ago. You can find the video down this video, so you can compare how the different the situation a week ago and today. Yeah, for sure it's big different. I mean like more tourists now in Poppies Lane.2. That's really good, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Bali and also in Kuta Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Yeah, just enjoy the video until the end because in this video I also will update how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane.1. Oh, you see right side? Some shop they are still open. But yeah, for sure in Poppies Lane.2 there is more shop are open now. They're just really good. And also there is some new cafe open. If I turn left at the front there is the way to go to Banasari Street. And I already update the situation at the moment in Banasari Street. So you can find the video down this video if you want to know the update situation right there. Left side, restaurant and so many tourists inside down there. Yeah, quite busy. They're just really good. Step by step, Poppies Lane.2 get crowded and getting up now. Left side, Korean restaurant, the Legian restaurant in Poppies Lane.2. I've been there a few times before with my customer. They bought me King Burger, the biggest one down there. Okay? Yeah, so far in this area looks so busy, isn't it? There is more tourists walk around on the sidewalk compared a few weeks ago. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane.2. If I straight down at the front, there is the way to go to Legian Street, just around 100 meters. The central of Legian Street. And that place we call Ground Zero. Okay guys, now we continue driving like a shortcut in between Poppies Lane.1 and Poppies Lane.2. This street we call Gang Ronta. On this street, if I turn right, there is Gang Sorga or Sorga Street, also very famous, and lot small hotel and lodgement right there. On this street, on Gang Ronta, also there is so many hotel, guest house, and lodgement. And also we have one legend hotel we call Kuta Town House. So let's see together how the situation right there at the moment in Kuta Town House. Hopefully some tourists will stay right there. Yeah, you see right side? restaurant, they are open, and some tourists inside down there. That's just really good. Hotel also open, and some car parking there. Yeah, it's getting better and better compared with a few weeks ago. Okay guys, let's continue driving, and we will see together how the situation at the moment, the street in between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, the front right side, Kuta townhouse. Oh, there is some car and motorbike parking there. I think they are open now, but we're not sure because it is still very quiet. No security there at the front. In this area there is a lot small hotel and some souvenir shop, but not so much. Mostly accommodation in around here. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation at the moment in Bali. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Hello, Hidai Mind. Welcome back to Bali. Yeah, as I told you, in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 there is a lot of Australians stay right here. So that's why it is very famous for Australia and Poppies Lane and Poppies Lane 2. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in small street Gang Ronta, the street between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. Okay, now we will reach Poppies Lane 1. So let's see together how busy at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. And also a few weeks ago I already updated this area, so you can find the video down this video, so you can compare how the different the situation at the moment and few weeks ago. Yeah, right side there's one restaurant, and yeah, there is some tourist right there. Look quite busy. They're just good. Wow, it's like shocking me. There's more shops are open in this area too. That's just really good, isn't it? Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like in Poppies Lane 1 there is a lot of shops still closed, but step by step there is more shops are open. That's just really good news. Okay, let's continue driving in Poppies Lane 1 and let's see together how busy at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. Yeah, I'm gonna say sorry because it's like around 6:30, so that's why it's look very dark in this area. And as I told you, my viewers, they asking me to update the situation in this area during the night time, but I'm gonna say sorry, I cannot make good video in this area during the night time because in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 there is not so enough light to make a video. Okay, you see? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. They're just really good. Some shop still closed, but more shop they are open. They're just really good. Oh sorry, it's quite dark in this area, but I will keep filming because I want to show you until the end of Poppies Lane 1, because at the end of the street there is a Kuta beach. You see right side? Yeah, there is a restaurant and some tourists inside down there also. They're just really good. Yeah, also right side there is more shops are open. Day by day more shops are open. It's very hard for Balinese to wake up again and restart the business because the impact of pandemic. It is very hard for Bali because we are mostly working for tourism. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1. So what do you think? Yeah, it is quite more busier, isn't it? They're just really good. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel and thank you for watching this video. And also I want to say thank you very much because you already watching my video and subscribe this channel. And also you already share some video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.